تعلم مع ضحى. Hi, I am an apple. I love kids who enjoy it on me. Hello, I am an orange. Juicy and sweet. I'm great for kids who like a tasty treat. Hi there, I am strawberry. I'm small, sweet, and perfect for kids who love a fruity bit. Hello, I am a pimple, and I love kids who eat me. Hello, I am a grape, and I love kids who eat me. Like and subscribe. Bye.